Hello, this is Valery Leletko. Welcome to another screencast for those who are independently searching answers to questions about studying abroad. In this screencast, we explore what is Form I-20 and value of this form for students who intend to study in the United States. We start from the official site of the US Department of State, designated for travelers, which is travel.state.gov. Click Visas, then Study. Next we click String Student Visas. And on the Open page we choose Required documentation. Here we can see that I-20 is the number one document that visa applicant must submit to obtain a student visa. In this section we also can see that I-20 is a service-generated form. SEVIS stands for Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. This is the Internet-based information system run by the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, or SCVP, on behalf of the Department of Homeland Security, or DHS. In this system, the Department of Homeland Security maintains information on SCVP-certified schools, as well as the international students who come to the United States to study in F or M status and attend those schools. SEVIS also maintains information on the Department of State designated visitor program sponsors and J1 visa exchange visitor program participants. Not every US school may provide I-20 to international students. At the address studyinthestates.dhs.gov/school-search, the Department of Homeland Security maintains the list of SCVP certified schools that authorized to accept international students. There are two ways to use this resource: either to search for a school by any combination of the three fields school name, city and state, or just download certified schools list as a PDF document and search inside the document. This list is updated every Wednesday. At this point, let's have a look at an official sample of I-20. You can download one at the address specified in the subtitle. There are two types of Form I-20. One is Form I-20A-B and another one is Form I-20M-N. Any option of the Form I-20 is a three-page document. The forms I-20AB and I-20MN have same layout. The difference can be found in the upper right and the lower left corners of the forms. In case of I-20AB, it is a certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant F1 student status for academic and language students. In case of I-20MN, it is a certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant M1 student status for vocational students. This means these forms grant students different statuses. If you don't know yet about this difference, just watch our screencast that covers comparison of the different status. When you get your I-20 from the school that accepted you, double-check that the family name, the first name and the middle name, if you have one, the date of birth, country of birth and the country of citizenship in the section 1 appear exactly as they are at your international passport. Above the barcode, there is the 10-digit SEVIS number. This number will be necessary to know when paying SEVIS I-901 fee. During the interview at the consulate, the student should be prepared to provide financial evidence that he or she has sufficient funds to cover expenses specified at the Section 8. Section 11 provides space for the certifying signature of the student. The student should put his or her signature there after checking that information in the Form I-20 is correct. The bottom section of the page 3 is used by the designated school official for endorsement to authorize re-entry of the student to attend the same school after a temporary absence from the United States. To summarize, we can say that every accepted international student gets Form I-20 from the school that accepted him or her. The Form I-20 is necessary to get a visa and every time when entering the United States as F or M student visa holder. We hope this screencast will contribute to your experience and understanding of how to search on your own for answers to the questions about admissions to educational institutions abroad. If you feel not quite confident in your search, ask your questions in the comments to the screencast via Twitter or our groups and the social networks. You will definitely get a response. Thanks for watching and see you next time. This was Valery Leletko.